First, I want to give a big round of applause to these three girls. I think this is a great initiative from our zone that we are starting the program which is called a Luck Child program. So where the kids are going to take the lead, although the adults will be there to watch them what they are doing, but we want to give more and more initiative to our younger kids and youth. I don't want to give you a big speech about KOA and all that, but I recently started, as you all know, that core team and Anilji nominated me for the director position. So initially I was hesitant because of the, being a family, working, mom of 2 kids, 12 and 6. So it's a full-time job for me right now, but I still, from my heart, I wanted to do it, and I said okay. And I've been attending the KOA Zone board meetings and working with our new management. Shakunji has been an incredible experience. She's a great lady, and I'm trying to learn a lot of new things from her. Two important things I wanted to talk about today that our KOA Zone organization wants in the future. The youth and our kids program is called the Lakshar program. And youth, where we want to encourage more and more Kashmiri youth to come in these programs. As you all see here today, we don't see any youth here, from Kashmiri community. So that's one thing that's lagging right now, and the zone is trying, KOA Zone organization is trying to start that program, and they already did some kind of camp in the Pennsylvania Poconos for youth, and that's the program they started. And at the zonal levels, they want us to start the Lakshar program, which is called the kids like from younger till 12 to 15 years of age. So I took an initiative and I wanted for the Shivratri function all the kids to come up with their own ideas, and as adults we'll be there to help and support them, but we want their more ideas because they have fresh brains and they come up with all these creative ideas. So these are the two important things I wanted to tell you, that KOA Zone wants to encourage youth and kids to come up more because they're going to pass, the future generation is them. Lastly, I want to also thank our core team. I think they are the backbone of these programs, whatever we do. They put incredible efforts, whether it's hosting practice sessions, everything. So a lot of effort has been put for this program. So I want you to give a big round of applause for our core team for Mohanji and Kavita ji, please come over. So we want to give a big round of applause. And they are always there, whether I call them in the middle of the night or morning, I need this, and they always give me the guidance. Of course, Anilji and Neeta Mattu, they're always there. If I need them for anything, they're always there. Anjali and Virender Haan, they always help with anything I ask them, and any comments they always give, we should do this in the program. That's what we want. It shouldn't be a one-person idea, it should be a team effort here. And Arun and Dipali Moda, Subir and Rinada Wanju. We had Sushilji and Nidhi call, but unfortunately they couldn't attend our function today. So we are missing them a lot, but their support has always been with us, even though they are having some difficult family timings right now. But we all miss them here today. So I want you to give a big round of applause for this program. I also want to thank you guys. Anilji, for him there will be a special thanks at that. Because of course without him this is not possible for me. In my ups and downs he helps me. I wouldn't take this position if it wasn't there. If it was a yes from both of us when I took this position. So Kapil, it comes thanks to him. He's my better half, and thanks to him for helping me for everything, whether it's in my work, I get frustrated sometimes with my work. Coming home, he helps me with that. And then all the clear things, I do board meeting. We have a Zet Ashtami meetings, and then I tell him to feed kids, and I have to go attend my meeting. So that's the big support from him. But lastly, I want to thank all of you, because without you coming here, this is not going to be possible. You all drive all the way from distant places. I want to have a special thanks to Akhilesh and Kalpana for the coming all the way from upstate.
And it's his birthday today.
Yes, and my sister Seema and Deepak Rana, they came all the way from upstate for this occasion. And it happens to be Akhilesh's birthday today, so let's all wish him. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Akhilesh. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, यहाँ पर
And we have to count all night.
Whose birthday is that?
अखिलेश अंकल का
I also want to thank Rakesh Kaulji. They came all the way from Binghamton. That's where, if I missed anybody who came from far places, I apologize for that. But without you guys coming here, this is not going to be a big festival. So, give yourself a round of applause. God bless you all. Now I'll give the mic to these girls here.